USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Do all of that. These buttons are for you. Subscribe, like and share. It's all free, okay? Below the video we have some links. It says what? It says swing like a pro right here. So click on this link, swing like a pro. Come to this page right here. Go and watch these setups and the videos, and then join this program if you want. And then we have a link here. It says book consultation, check brokers. So if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation right here, and also join the brokers and join my free Telegram, which is absolutely free. So go and get into my Telegram right now. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, where are we? Weekly, we are down. Daily, we are also down. 4 hour, we are actually down. So look for shorts after the pullback. That's it, okay? USDCHF, go down after the pullback. If you want precise entry, exit, and TP, then make sure you join my Swing Like a Pro program. If you want to enter and exit with me, join the program. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.